Let me show you how to analyze your Instagram organic performance using OpenAI Codex CLI and InsightfulPipe, and identify your top performing content, audience trends, and get a full content strategy. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Instagram Organic and set the permissions to read plus write. Sign in with your Facebook account and select the Instagram account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL from the Codex CLI tab in the guide page. In your terminal, run the Codex MCP add command with the InsightfulPipe URL. It starts the OAuth flow and connects successfully. Start Codex CLI. Now write the prompt. Ask Codex to perform a deep analysis of your Instagram organic performance for the last 30 days. Identify high-performing content types and provide a full content strategy with recommendations. Codex connects to Instagram through InsightfulPipe and pulls the data. It retrieves the account insights, media performance, and post-level metrics for all 22 reels published in the last 30 days. The report is ready. Over the last 30 days, the account had 699 reach, 1,030 views, and 101 total interactions. The top performing reels are all focused on analytics workflows and marketing automation demos. Codex identifies the audience behavior trends. Discovery is strong. The top 5 reels drove 64% of total reach. The strategy is clear. Post 4 reels and 2 carousels per week. Focus on single workflow demos. Lead with the pain point in the first second, and add explicit calls to action to convert viewers into followers. That is Instagram organic analysis with OpenAI Codex CLI and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.